Get everyone out there in Just Your Average Fish Host Facebook land. Justin here. It's an ordinary day in Melbourne lockdown with the new 10-kilometre rules. If you are in regional Victoria around the salt areas, I hope you're doing well and fishing well. For us Melbourneites that are miles from anywhere, we've still got a bit of way to go. A little bit of a review on the Salt Away Salt Attack large engine flush bag, about 220 litres in size, 70 centimetre diameter by 70 centimetres tall. Good for 150 to sort of 300 horsepower bags, particularly great for these big 4-strokes that don't prime that well on the muffs, or if you're only using the flush port attachment and you want to run them for a bit longer, can't go wrong. Takes forever to fill though, I'll tell you that. And you want to make sure it's full before you start your engine. It'll suck a fair bit of water into the engine, and it's just best for the pressure. So add about 300 mils of Salt Away in there, or I use SX50, the Australian made one from Queensland. Yeah, at least you're able to flush it a lot quieter, that's for sure, and for a lot longer. A lot of the big 4-strokes have plastic impeller housings, and if they get a bit hot they can melt, so they don't tend to like you to run them for too long on the muffs if it's a bigger 4-stroke. So anyway, I'll let this fill up and come back to you and we'll show you it running. Alrighty, back again with a full bag and the engine running. Great pressure out of the telltale. You could, I suppose, turn off the hose given that the telltale is going in there, but as long as you don't overheat the water, not that you'd probably boil it anytime soon anyway, given it's so cold out of the tap, but it's nice to be able to run it quietly, that's for sure. Give it a bit of a rev in there and yeah, Bob's your uncle. Yeah, not a bad device. Look, I'm sure there's lots of other plastic containers and things. What the bonus is to this, it just turns on itself and folds up into a nice little storage bag. They're about 185 bucks. You can order them online for this size, but they do. This is an extra large, obviously. There's a large, medium, small for different sorts of engine sizes. Yeah, I don't mind it. Not that I'd use it all the time, obviously, because with the Yamaha flush port, it is designed to flush the whole engine as much as some Yamaha owners don't think so, but yeah, can't go wrong. Happy days.